Tired of manually sending invoices to your customers? What if they were automatically attached to every order email instead? With WebToffee's free WooCommerce PDF invoices, packing slips, delivery notes, and shipping labels plugin, you can automatically generate invoices and seamlessly attach them to every order email. To attach invoices in WooCommerce order emails, the first step is to enable automatic invoice generation for your WooCommerce store. Once the invoices are automatically generated, they can be seamlessly attached to the respective order emails. Let's start by setting up automatic invoice generation for your WooCommerce orders. Begin by installing and activating the free Invoice plugin. Once done, navigate to Invoice/Packing from your WordPress dashboard. Now, click on Invoice to access the settings. Under the General tab, scroll down to find the Automate Invoice Creation option. Select the desired order statuses from the drop-down menu. Once set, an invoice will automatically be generated whenever an order reaches the selected status. Click on Update Settings to save changes. Let's see how this works with an example. We have completed as the order status for automatic invoice generation. Order number 531 is currently on hold, and the invoice has not yet been generated. Now, let's change its status to completed. As you can see, the invoice is automatically generated for the order. Now that we've set up automatic invoice generation, let's move on to attaching invoices to WooCommerce order emails. In the General Invoice settings, go to the Attach Invoice PDF to selected WooCommerce emails option. From the drop-down, choose the email types to which invoices should be attached. Please keep in mind that the Automate Invoice Creation and Attach Invoice PDF options are linked. Select email classes that match the order statuses you've chosen for automatic invoice generation. Finally, click on Update Settings to save the changes. You can also add a Print Invoice button to the customer's My Account page in order emails, allowing customers to easily print invoices for their orders. Let's look at an example. Auto invoice generation is enabled for processing and completed orders. Email types selected for attaching invoices are Processing Order and Completed Order. Order number 574 is currently on hold, and the invoice has not yet been generated. Let's change the order status to Completed. Now, the invoice is automatically generated for the order, and a WooCommerce email for the completed order will be sent to the customer with the invoice attached. WooCommerce order emails are sent to the admin or the customer based on the WooCommerce email settings. We hope you found this video helpful. Explore the additional features offered by the premium add-ons. Links to the Pro Add-ons are provided in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more such informative content. If you need any technical assistance, our customer support team is here to help.